Most people think building a website requires a developer. It does not. With the right AI tools, you can go from zero to a live professional website in a single day, without writing a line of code.
In this video, we build a complete website from scratch using AI. We plan the structure, generate the design, write the copy, and publish it live. Every step is documented. Every tool is named.
Step 1. Plan before you build. Most people skip this and end up with a site that looks good but converts nothing. 5 minutes of planning determines everything that follows.
You need 3 things before you open any AI tool. 1. Your site purpose. What action should a visitor take? 2. Your audience. Who is this person and what do they want? 3. Your pages. What content does the visitor need to take that action?
For a digital product site, the pages are a home page that names the problem and the solution, a product page with the offer, an about page that builds trust, and a simple contact or FAQ page. 4 pages. That is a complete site.
Step 2. Use Claude to build your site architecture. Open Claude. Give it your site purpose, your audience, and your page list. Ask it to produce a full sitemap and the content outline for each page.
The output from Claude gives you the exact sections each page needs, the headline for each section, and the copy direction. This takes 10 minutes and replaces what a content strategist would charge thousands of dollars to produce.
For each page, Claude produces the hero headline and subheadline, the 3 to 5 key sections, the call to action text, and the SEO meta description. You now have a complete content brief for your entire site before writing a single word of final copy.
Step 3. Build the site in Framer. Framer has an AI site generator built in. You describe your business in 1 paragraph, and it generates a complete, professionally designed site in under 60 seconds.
The generated site gives you a real starting point, not a blank canvas. You get a homepage layout, navigation, sections, and a footer. Your job from here is to replace the placeholder content with your Claude-generated copy and your real images.
Framer has a free plan that gets you live. Paid plans start at $14 per month and add a custom domain and more pages. For a first site, start on the free plan. Validate that the site converts before you pay for anything.
Step 4. Write the copy. Every section of every page needs real copy, not placeholder text. Go back to Claude. Feed it the section name, the audience, the product, and the outcome. Ask for the headline and 2 to 3 sentences of body copy.
For your hero section, the headline should name the problem or the transformation, not your company name, not a tagline. The problem or the transformation. That is what makes someone stay on the page.
For your product section, Claude writes the feature list, the benefit translations, and the pricing block copy. Tell Claude what the product does, who it is for, and what result it produces. It handles the rest in under 2 minutes per section.
Step 5. Images and visuals. A website with no images looks unfinished. You have 3 options. Option 1. Use Unsplash or Pexels for free, professional photography that matches your niche.
Option 2. Use Midjourney or Dolly to generate custom images that match your exact brief. Give it your color palette, your subject, and your mood. It produces images no stock library has. Ideal for product mock-ups and hero visuals.
Option 3. Use screenshots and diagrams. If your product is a digital tool, a template, or a guide, show it. A screenshot of the product inside Canva or Notion, properly framed, converts better than any stock photo.
Step 6. SEO basics. Before you publish, 3 things must be in place. 1. Your page title tags. Each page needs a title that includes your primary keyword. Claude writes these in seconds.
2. Your meta descriptions. Each page needs a 1 to 2 sentence description that appears in Google search results. Claude writes these from your content outline. 3. Your image alt text. Every image needs a text description for accessibility and search indexing.
In Framer, these are set in the Page Settings panel. It takes 15 minutes to complete SEO for a 4-page site. Do it before you publish. Fixing it after costs you rankings you should have had from day one.
Step 7. Connect your domain and publish. You need a domain name. Buy one from Namecheap or Google Domains for $8 to $15 per year. Choose a name that is short, clear, and matches your product or brand.
In Framer, go to Site Settings, connect your custom domain, and follow the DNS setup instructions. The setup takes 15 minutes. Once DNS propagates, usually within 1 hour, your site is live at your domain.
Before you hit publish, run through this checklist. All pages load correctly, all links work, your contact form submits, your product buy button links to the right page, and your site looks correct on mobile. Mobile is not optional. Over 60% of web traffic is mobile.
After launch, 3 things to do in the first week. 1. Submit your site to Google Search Console. Paste your URL. Verify ownership. Submit your sitemap. Google will start indexing your pages within 48 hours.
2. Run your site through Page Speed Insights. Google scores your page speed and tells you exactly what to fix. A score above 90 is the target. Framer sites score well out of the box, but large images can drag the score down.
3. Share the link. Post it to LinkedIn, to your communities, to your email list if you have one. The first 100 visitors tell you whether your headline resonates, whether your offer is clear, and whether the site is doing its job.
Your action plan this week. Day 1. Plan your site, purpose, audience, pages. Brief Claude and get your full content outline. Day 2. Generate your Framer site. Replace copy and images. Connect your domain.
Day 3. Complete SEO settings. Run page speed. Fix any issues. Publish. Day 4. Submit to Google Search Console. Share the link. Get your first 100 visitors. By day 4, you have a live, professional website built entirely with AI.
What kind of site are you building? A portfolio, a digital product store, a service page, or a landing page? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for the next build. It is already in motion.